So, viewers, today I'm going to discuss about some topic where many questions arises from my patients who are already recovered from COVID-19. That what about their diets? It's always the patient goes on asking for the easier way to regain their strength after suffering from COVID-19. So today, my topic of discussion is the easier way to regain the strength to remove the weakness of the body after combating the COVID-19 infection. So let's begin with my presentation. Right. So the diet. For the diet, the first thing that should be kept into the mind is the calorie. Eating energy dense foods is very important because it helps to regain your energy, and the carbohydrate are the fuel of the body, as you know. So for sure the body should have a good supply of carbohydrate rich foods. But one thing you have to keep it in your mind, that you have to choose complex carbohydrate over to the simple carbohydrates. The foods that may include in this genre is the sweet potato, whole grains, lentils, and some good fats also in your daily diet. So the carbohydrates is not your enemy. Carbohydrate make it a good friend. So carbohydrate is not always your enemy. Make it a good friend by choosing over the complex carbs over to the simple carbs. Now the next thing that should be kept into your diet is the protein. As you know that the protein are the building blocks of the body. So when fighting an illness, the muscle loss are lot and the wastage happen in the muscle. So the protein is a must thing that should be included in the diet to stimulate the muscle to fight and prevent the continuous breakdown of it, and to give a body the earlier strengths that was there before the infection. So for that thing, I will suggest to add at least 1.5 grams of protein per kg of your body weight. So you should calculate the thing 1.5 multiplied by your body weight, and that is the amount of protein, that grams of protein it is necessary for you to build the good body weight and help, which will help in your recovery from COVID-19 weaknesses. So I will suggest the good proteins like lentils, pulses, millets, whole grains, eggs, fish, chicken, and you can also try for 2 teaspoon of that sattu for your daily health drinks, which contains it will contain about 19 grams of protein for your and that should be included in your diet. So, as we are well aware of the fact that COVID-19 infection leaves one weak and fatigued. This weakness can last for a longer time in few cases, where and in some other cases they also may get recovered very easily. But the three major reasons for post-COVID fatigue are generally lack of nutrition and the viral load and the stress of the body. To combat this, we need to have some knowledge about the nutrition, about the foods, so that we can get good backup of the body immunity, and also fight the COVID-19 fight the weakness from COVID-19 that has caused to us. Now the other two things that should be inside your daily life, these are not food materials, but these are also an essential materials for regaining the strength after recovering from COVID-19. The first thing is hydration. You should have to keep your body all time hydrated enough so that the body can recover the illness and it can distribute your nutrition that you are taking. This distribution of the nutrition should be proper through hydration, and proper hydration will remove the toxins through sweat and urination. So you should hydrate your body properly in order to recover your strength. And the other thing is a good sleep. A sound, good sleep will help you to recover from your COVID-19 infection your strength, your mental durability, and everything in a very easier way. So you should maintain a good proper sleep also. The next thing that should be in your daily life is vitamin D or vitamin D supplementations. More than 80% of the Indian population are said to have a deficiency of vitamin D. As you know, that vitamin D is required for more than 800 pathways in our body. So it is required to maintain the bone health, the immunity, the weight loss, hair fall, and to keep the hormones on track. Some serious sources or common sources of vitamin D are mushrooms, fortified cereals, fortified orange juice, milk, yogurt, salmon, cod liver oil, tuna, egg yolks, tofu, and obviously sunshine. So you should include this type of foods also in your diet to recover yourself. The next thing that is very much essential component of our daily diet of a COVID-19 recovered patient is omega 3. This omega 3 help in reducing the inflammation of the body. As your body gets sufficient inflammation while fighting against any infection, so this omega 3 fatty acid will to just help you to just maintain all that things. So this omega 3 fatty acid will help you to regain that thing into a previous one. So the omega 3 fatty acid should be inside your diet according to me. There are mainly three types of omega 3 fatty acid. One is alpha linoleic acid, second is eicosapentaenoic acid. So there are mainly three types of omega 3 fatty acids. First one is alpha linoleic acid, second is eicosapentaenoic acid, and the third is docosahexaenoic acid. The food rich in these omega 3 fatty acids can be taken. So as per my recommendation, the food should be like chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, mackerel, soybean oil, salmon, all these type of things are should be the thing that should be included in your diet. This will give you a good immunity and rebuilding strength against COVID-19 weaknesses and all. And apart from this, if it is not possible for you, you can also take the omega 3 fatty acid supplementations for 2 months for after infection to get the recovery from the infections. Now the next thing that should be taken into consideration is your gut. If an infection enters your gut, it changes the microbiome, and which is why most of the people faces issues like indigestion, diarrhea during the infection. To take care of your gut, you should include the probiotics or prebiotics in your diet. Some major probiotics or the common sources of prebiotics or probiotics are easily available, that are curd, buttermilk, fermented rice, beetroot, carrot, etc. You can also add the fruits like apples, garlic, onion, salad, and grains in order to get your gut a good biome, get your gut into a good biome, which will help you to gain your wasted out energies and strength after COVID-19 infection. So, if you maintain all these things after your infection period is over from COVID 19, this will help you to get a great recovery within few days, within a couple of months, and it will help your body to regain its previous energy to get boosted up with all the energies and everything. So, hope I think you will, if people like my video, like my presentation, and if you have any suggestions apart from this, you can share the suggestions in the comment box. And if you want to just promote my channel, if you want to give me some inspirations to make more informative videos and all, please like, subscribe, and share my video so that I can get some more energy and more means more enthusiasm to increase my channel